How to make a portfolio in Canva. Canva portfolio tutorial. Hey guys, welcome. Are you looking for a platform to create a free portfolio? Then this video is for you because today I'm telling you how you can create a portfolio using canva.com for free, and it's very easy. So let's get into it. First, you just have to go to canva.com and you will land on this platform. Now, if you do not have an account, you can create one very easily with your Google account or email address. After the sign up, this is where you will get. Now, to create a portfolio, we can actually use this search bar. And in here, I'm going to search for portfolio templates. Getting started with a template is really easy with Canva, and we will be able to create high quality portfolio. So once you search for portfolio, this is where you will get. We can also customize our search with different categories. Here we have business, social media, education, video marketing, and more. So here we have our portfolios. I will simply look for a good portfolio here. So this one actually looks pretty good. Let's click on customize this template. And this is our canvas where we will work. Now, so this is our canvas where we will be working. I actually changed into something more vibrant with our template. So once the template is selected, you can see we also have different templates option here. And here we have website, portfolio, blogs, and more. You can even kind of like check different portfolios from here. Then we have different styles and layouts. So if you already use Canva, then this is easy for you because then you can go for elements, text, and others. You know how to use it. But if you are completely new to Canva, well, let me introduce you to some of the features here. We have elements where you will be able to find different photos, shapes. We even have now AI image generators. We have graphics, stickers, anything you want to add to your template here. Then we have text. Now this is one of the most important options where you add text. Then we have brand and uploads. Now in uploads, you upload data or pictures or videos from your computer, and then we have projects and apps. So let's start customizing our template here. So with a template, now you can see we have this background, and then we can see we have an image. I'm also getting some information that, okay, we should add some social media handles here, and then we got some of the information. Now, this is a one-page template, but I want to convert it to 2 pages. So I will click on add page, and now we have 2 pages here. With this page, again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the colors first, and now we can actually go with colors similar to the first one. So I'm actually going to go with this color here. So now you can see this is what it looks like. Similarly, let's start customizing details here. So first we have name. For that, I'm going to ungroup it, and it's very simple. Here we'll add our name. Now, in our job, I'm going to actually go with the marketing agent. There you go. And now you can see I'll simply adjust it. With our about me, education, and experience, I'm actually not happy with this design a lot because there's a lot of information on just one page, and I've actually created another page. So I just want to keep this one with the name, pictures, socials, and about me, and the education and experience part I will be taking to the second page. And then we also have a button here to take us to the resume, which is actually pretty good. First, I'm going to actually ungroup this here and delete this option. I will actually take this text from here and remove it. So now this is what we have. When it comes to the colors, we can customize it again. This is actually a photo, and we can edit the photo from the top. So let's adjust it a little bit. I will be moving the text to the center. You will be able to find these pink lines to guide you, and we can increase it. And we can increase the size, like so. So this is the look that I'm going for. Now we will customize it. First, let's increase the size of the picture. Let's change the picture. For that, you have to right click, and here you can find our link option. So you can add a link to a picture here, or what we can do is we can simply go to uploads. This is where you'll upload your image, and we can replace it. Once you select or add the image, now we can move the image, here. You can see once you take the image and hover over your layout, you will be able to adjust it. Double click, and you will be able to adjust your image even more. And now you can see we have our image added. So once your image is added, then now we will simply move our text here a little bit, and then let's customize the text. I'm going to delete this text completely. Go to text, click on add a subheading, and now write your text. And let's type our text here again. So this is where your text will be. And now I will actually increase the size a little bit. There you go. Let's actually make this text bold. And this one, okay. Now you can see this is what it looks like. This is my first page. Let's move to our second page, which I will be customizing completely. So for this page, we'll actually be using just text. Click on add a heading, or actually let's go with a subheading. And here I will be adding our experience. Let's change the color of the text. Similarly, let's not make it bold and place it where we want it to be. Similarly, we'll go to text here and click on body text, and I'll just simply type in the body text here, whatever the experience is. So let's just simply add the text first. So my text is added. Now I want to add a button to my portfolio. So for that, we will simply go to elements here and we will search for button. Here we have different graphics. So I do want to add a graphic here. And let's actually go with this one. Okay, this looks good. And I'm going to place it here. Let's change the color. So for that, I'm going to simply, let's change the color. There you go. Let's add our text. Change the color of the text. And let's add a link. For that, you have to click on the text, click on these three dots, and now you can find link. Now, this is where you will simply insert a link to your resume or to your website or whatever link you want to add. And this way, we can actually create a button within our Canva template. So now you can see this is my very simple resume I created with Canva. This looks good, to the point. We also have our socials. For the socials, again, to add the link, you just click on these three dots and then you can click on the link and you'll be able to add your socials. And this way, you will be able to create high quality converting portfolio and you will be able to get whatever job you want to. Now you can see we have publish website. We can also get a preview at the top here. And then we have publish. Okay, let's actually change the name to. So I'm going to quickly do that. And then click on share. This way you will also be able to share this design with your team members. You can copy the link, you can download, or just click on publish website and you have your portfolio ready. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.